Friends, today we are going to discuss a topic that is of immense importance to all of our lives. We all work very hard to earn dollars. Yet, at the end of the day, it often seems that those dollars aren't staying in our hands, nor are they growing. To survive in America and achieve financial independence, you must learn how to use your dollars to accumulate even more dollars. We call this making your money work for you. Many people believe that earning a massive income is a prerequisite for building wealth. However, the simple truth is that how much you invest is far more critical than how much you earn. Suppose you have $1,000. If you simply let it sit in a standard savings account, its purchasing power will diminish by the end of the year due to inflation. In other words, an item you can purchase today for $1,000 might cost $1,050 to buy a year from now. Or, letting your money sit idle is essentially a financial loss. The thing you need is a high-yield savings account. Major banks in America offer negligible interest rates, if any at all. However, there are certain online banks that offer returns of 4 to 5% on your deposited funds. This represents the most fundamental and secure step toward growing your money. We must grasp the magic of compound interest. Let's assume you decide to save just $200 per month. If you invest this $200 into an index fund within the U.S. stock market, such as the S&P 500, historical data suggests you can expect an average annual return of 10%. If you maintain this strategy for 20 to 30 years, those modest few $100s will eventually transform into hundreds of thousands of dollars. This is precisely what it means to use dollars to create more dollars. Saving on taxes is synonymous with saving money. If you are employed, you should absolutely take advantage of your company's 401k plan. This is especially beneficial if your employer offers a matching contribution, essentially providing you with free money. Additionally, through a Roth IRA, you can save money in a way that ensures you pay absolutely no taxes when you eventually withdraw those funds in the future. The biggest mistake we make is increasing our expenses right alongside our income. This phenomenon is known as lifestyle creep. You can only achieve true wealth if you maintain a modest lifestyle and utilize your surplus dollars to acquire assets. An asset is anything that puts money into your pocket, such as stocks, bonds, or real estate. Remember, there are no shortcuts to becoming wealthy. It is a long-term process. Start setting aside a portion of your income today. Whether it is $100 or $500, cultivate the habit of investing regularly. Your ultimate goal should be to reach a point where the returns generated by your accumulated savings are sufficient to cover your entire cost of living. Opportunities abound in the current U.S. economy. All that is required is the right strategy and patience. Do not let your hard-earned dollars sit idle. Put them to work so they can generate even more wealth for you. This is how you can secure a bright future and achieve financial independence. Thank you for staying with us. Begin your journey toward building wealth today. We wish you the very best of luck.